We're going to win with every single facet. We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning.
GM, welcome back to the channel. Another all-time high here for Bitcoin, just 2K away from the big 6 digits of $100,000. So just a quick market update here. We're looking at the meme to AI meme rotation that is happening before your eyes. Always best to see when there is a market-wide sell-off, what recovers first. And the writing is kind of on the wall, in my opinion. But let's jump in. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Check out the link down below for the Blockmates meal deal and get yourself involved with the alpha. So BTC here, 98.1K. So from Crown's analysis, he was saying pretty much breakout is now, confirmed above 97 yesterday. We've now hit 98. We want to see daily momentum hold above 96 today. So 96,000, you can chalk that off on here. And that's what we want to be aiming for as a resolution of today. I think, honestly, it's going to hit 100K pretty damn soon because it just seems like a magnet towards that area right now. You've got Sailor Max bidding. How high does this go is the real question. Does it go to low 100s and a sell-off? Does it go to 110, 120, then a sell-off? Who knows? But we are expecting a decent correction at some point, maybe within the next 4 weeks, maybe sooner than that, but 15 to 30% for BTC would not be anything majorly concerning. A lot of people will get washed out on leverage with that. You probably want to be a buyer of said liquidations at that point, but things are teed up here for crypto. And if we get a pullback somewhere into this region here, 87, 88K, something like that, I wouldn't be too surprised at some point, but play ball for now. Anyway, moving on. This is Nachi, one of the really, really good traders on crypto Twitter. He says, Bitcoin's approaching 100K. Everyone's accepting that was the top market-wide sell-off, but one category continues to push towards all-time highs. So he's saying, look, people are expecting 100K to be an area of significant profit taking and a pullback. And as we're approaching that, you're seeing that the altcoins aren't doing particularly well. They're losing Satoshi value, but he's saying, look, AI memes, Fartcoin, Zerebro, GOAT, all are remaining strong right now, which is a signal within this market. So he says it's the perfect combination of all meme hype in crypto and AI hype in TradFi that is giving us this AI meme era, bleaker, unironically early. So super interesting. This is the theme of today's video, memes into AI memes, or it doesn't even have to be that rotation, but capital flight into these AI, we're calling them memes, but I would say they're AI agents more than anything else. Web3 Quant, GOAT, Zerebro. These are the obvious plays right now. GOAT's like a 1 bill market cap, Zerebro 500 mil market cap, and a lot of capital will flow into these. He also says, take one look at crypto Twitter, and on the other hand, there's someone with issues, match made in heaven. This is a soft shill of Shigen, which is ticker or at on Twitter, AI with daddy issues. And then the second one, she's one of us in the trenches, trading pump funds and getting really good at it. This is an AI agent that is trading shitters, getting rugged, also hitting a few bangers, 10, 20s, even 100x calls. And that is ticker Lola. So this is my tweet from earlier, memes into AI memes. Not a full port thing, but significance. So significance, whatever that means to you, obviously not financial advice. I have moved over this past week, I would say, so since Sunday especially, from returning back to the UK, I've moved quite a lot of memes into AI memes, and it's been paying off nicely here. Now, this was Aylo's take, so yet another very competent individual, someone with great alpha in the markets. He's saying, look, AI agent-related coins is the category offering the best risk to reward from here until the end of cycle. Pretty big stuff. You've seen the Elon was said something about AGI by 2026. He says, look, it combines tech and culture, a really good crossover, a left, mid curve and right curve. These are becoming the NFTs of this cycle. This is a big statement. Top coin on virtuals is now establishing itself. It's an incredible AI alpha dropping influencer, essentially, tweeting genuinely useful info. This is a soft shell of AIXBT. I also came across an AI agent on Solana, which goes a bit further than this. It controls its wallets and is actively finding and taking trades. 100x verifiable on-chain. Again, this is Lola. So we're seeing the soft chill era now for some of the lower caps. Very interesting, take note. Then we have Ansem here. Was early to most of the major trades this cycle. Hit Sol, Coin, Pepe, Bonk, and Whiff, but missed being early to the TikTok meta. Whether the TikTok meta sticks or not, I'm not sure. To be honest, for me personally, it's boring when you see what some of these AI memes, agents, etc. are doing, what they're capable of. It's just so much more exciting that the TikTok shit isn't for me, honestly. I'll lose money in that category. But he says, look, the AI stuff, he caught up late on that. But I'm fairly certain the AI coins are where you should be spending the majority of your time right now, especially if, as per the AGI by 2026 comment from Elon Musk. Multiple sources, similar outcome. New highs for meme coin mindshare on Kato, because a lot of these AI memes are in the meme coin category. But if you do look at the charts, yeah, there's Whiff, Popcat. I think Mog's actually holding up really well. Rotario bags down quite a bit. But we'll jump into the charts next. We'll start from Fartcoin. So this is the most left curve of the AI meme barbell, I would suggest, because the ticket is Fartcoin, which is just the most hilarious shit you're going to see. Headlines will write themselves. Bottomed yesterday, all the way back up to all-time highs today. Fartcoin, 365 mil market cap. So for anyone who is more left curve, likes funny stuff, this is a good play for that in the AI category. Market leader currently, GOATs, Truth Terminals, Andy Ari, 109, $1.09 billion. This thing should get sex listings soon, and then hopefully $2 plus, and we can start to really see some moon math then for the rest of them. Zerebro is probably the best tech play in terms of what it offers. Jeff, the founder behind this, is a gigabrain. They're shipping like crazy. The actual Zerebro created its own NFT collection. They're trading like 6 Sol at the moment. They've produced a mixtape. They've got a full ecosystem around them with other agents coming. The agent ecosystem in the next 2 weeks will have an upgrade where you can create almost like a pump fund of your own agents, and then you can get them to do tasks for you. Like you could get them to run your social media. You could get them to spam tickers on Twitter. This stuff's advancing very, very quickly, and they're getting DeFi applications to integrate with them as well, which is super interesting. Zerebro is $500 million market cap. I think this is the most superior tech one that I've seen thus far. AIXBT is on Coinbase, not Coinbase the exchange, but the base chain, sorry. But I do think you want base exposure here because these guys are going to be bullish on their agents. So this is currently a 57 mil market cap. This is with the liquidity on Sol where I've bought it personally, but you can trade it obviously on the base chain. But if they're going to start listing these agents on Coinbase, this one's going to be one of the first ones to do it. And 50 mil market cap, I honestly think this goes a lot higher. Then we have Lola, which is the one that's being soft chilled by numerous people right now, including Web3 Quant as well. And it's just marked up here. So probably the best you're going to do is a bit of a pullback into some of these wick areas. If you're lucky, 10 mil market cap. I'd honestly front run that if it dips down to 12 and buy. But it may just send from here. I have no idea. We're seeing capitulation from people into these plays. Here is Hat, Top Hat. This is the kind of pump fund on Sol for AI agents. Good recovery here as well. Like these recovery candles from the pullbacks are telling. 32 mil market cap. Pros, pump fund. It's also, I think, got an integration with pump fund where you can spin up these agents to pump the bag of the pump fund creation. The drawback is Zerebro is going to be producing something in the next couple of weeks that will probably do what this does, so could well eat its lunch. Then we have Cypher. Shout out to Max Long for the call on this one. So Cypher is, and this has liquidity on Sol, by the way, it's a rune. So a Bitcoin rune. So the reason why I've bought this one is because it's tapping into a different pool of liquidity with the Bitcoin maxis, with the Bitcoin bros who, you know, their coin's up pretty much 100K right now. They've got fucking money to spend. If they want to pump the bags of a rune with AI capabilities, I think the Twitter handle for this one, the agent is Satoshi AI, like Satoshi AI. but Satoshi AI. This is a $30 million market cap right now. Cypher is the ticker, has some liquidity on Sol as mentioned, otherwise you're buying it via Magic Eden on Runes, but this just scratches a different itch for me. I think we'll stop there because the others are very much low market cap, but this one's also getting a bit of a shout from Web3 Quant today, which is Shigen, AI with daddy issues. So some really interesting stuff happening. Not financial advice, do whatever the fuck you want, but it feels like it's PvE within this sector. And if we just think about people entering the market, like what is more interesting right now? A static meme picture. Yeah, I do believe they'll go higher, but I think the gap is there to be closed for a lot of these. Like say there's loads of tokens trading, like meme coins trading at 3, 4, 500 mil market cap right now. And a lot of these things are trading at like 50 mil market cap. So that's just my thoughts on it. We also have Tau. 563, you are not bullish enough on Tau. This is due to DCG, which is Digital Currency Group, subsidiary called UMA, led by Barry Silbert. They're essentially investing within the Tau ecosystem into subnets, which is pretty incredible. And with Dynamic Tau coming, you're essentially going to have the ability to shitcoin on Tau, spend your Tau to buy the subnet tokens. I essentially believe what is going to happen here. So this will have its own shitcoinery on there as well. So I think Tau will also get a bid off the back of this with AI just being front and center right now. This is AIXBT, the agent on base, as mentioned. And this is the kind of alpha this thing is be able to scroll for, like churn through all the data and then put it into like bite-sized chunks. He's saying, look, currently the SUI network is down, blocks aren't being produced. And this is its first major outage since reaching 30 mil active accounts. So this is essentially him saying, or this bot saying, look, this is a huge stress test for SUI. Now this one has a 34 bill FDV, 8x price increase since the recent lows. Now the stress test takes place. So very interesting stuff. This is diluting down some serious alpha for you. And this bot, once it hits a bigger market cap, will have its own wallets. There'll be a lot of stuff coming for it. So excited for what happens with that. And then last but not least, you can actually take profit into a self-custodial Coinbase wallet into USDC and receive essentially the risk-free rates, the Fed's fund rates, and 4.7% APY will be given to you. I believe it's each Monday of each new week, based on your like average balance in that time period. So if you want to take profit and still earn, this is pretty incredible stuff. So shout out to Brian Armstrong, Coinbase, etc. They're really going to be pushing for onboarding of new users here. So that is all for now. Check out my links down below. Subscribe if you're new. Peace.